Jiffy Corn Casserole recipe, a delicious twist on traditional corn dishes. When it comes to comfort food, few dishes are as warm, satisfying, and universally loved as corn casserole. And when you want to add a delicious twist to the traditional recipe, look no further than the Jiffy Corn Casserole. Whether you're making it for a holiday gathering, a family dinner, or just as a treat for yourself, this casserole is sure to be a hit. With its rich, cheesy layers and the perfect combination of flavors, this Jiffy Corn Casserole recipe stands out from the crowd. This dish combines the classic ingredients of corn casserole, but with a unique touch of Jiffy corn muffin mix, sour cream, and cheese, making it the ideal comfort food. It's easy to make, and the result is mouth-watering. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cook time, 50 minutes. Total time, 1 hour, 10 minutes. Servings, 8. Yield, 1 9x13-inch baking dish. Ingredients you'll need: a 1/4 cup butter for sautéing the vegetables and adding richness to the dish, 1 large onion, diced, a savory base flavor that adds depth to the casserole, 1/2 large green bell pepper, diced, a slight sweetness and color that balances the flavor, 1 4-ounce jar chopped pimento peppers for a slight tang and additional color, 2 large eggs. These will help bind all the ingredients together and create a soft, fluffy texture. 1 8-ounce packaged Jiffy corn muffin mix, the magic ingredient that makes this casserole irresistibly fluffy and slightly sweet. 1 4-ounce condensed green chiles, a little heat that elevates the flavor profile. 1 15.25-ounce whole kernel corn with liquid, adding moisture and texture to the casserole. 1 15.25-ounce creamed corn, giving a creamy, luscious texture to the dish. 1 pint sour cream adds a creamy, tangy richness that takes the casserole to the next level. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese for a gooey, melty cheese topping that makes this casserole irresistible. Directions for a perfect Jiffy corn casserole: prepare ingredients and preheat the oven. Start by gathering all your ingredients together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x13-inch baking pan with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. This step is crucial for ensuring the casserole slides out easily once baked. Sauté the vegetables. In a skillet, melt a 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Add the diced onion, bell pepper, and pimento peppers to the pan. Sauté them for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and fragrant. The onion should be translucent and the peppers should soften nicely. Combine the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the eggs, Jiffy corn muffin mix, diced green chiles, whole kernel corn with the liquid, and creamed corn. Add the sautéed vegetable mixture to this bowl and stir everything together. The consistency should be somewhat thick, but don't worry, it will bake into a creamy casserole. Assemble the casserole. Pour the combined mixture into the prepared 9x13-inch baking pan. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly, ensuring that the casserole base is level. Top with sour cream and cheese. Drop spoonfuls of sour cream across the top of the casserole. Don't spread it out, just let it melt and blend naturally while baking. Afterward, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese evenly on top. The cheese will melt beautifully and create a golden, cheesy crust over the casserole. Bake the casserole. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 minutes or until the casserole is firm and golden on top. You may need to check the casserole towards the end and insert a toothpick to make sure it comes out clean, signaling that the casserole has set. Serve and enjoy. Once done, remove the casserole from the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes. This will help the casserole firm up slightly. Then scoop it onto plates and enjoy the rich, creamy, and cheesy goodness. Nutrition information per serving. Calories, 527. Total fat, 33G, 42% of daily value. Saturated fat. 19G, 95% of daily value. Cholesterol. 125 milligrams, 42% of daily value. Sodium. 993 milligrams, 43% of daily value. Total carbohydrate. 47G, 17% of daily value. Dietary fiber. 3G, 11% of daily value. Total sugars. 11G. Protein. 16G, 32% of daily value. Vitamin C. 34 milligrams, 38% of daily value. Calcium. 343 milligrams, 26% of daily value. Iron. 2 milligrams, 12% of daily value. Potassium. 403 milligrams, 9% of daily value. Note, the percentage of daily values is based on a 2,000 calorie diet. The nutritional information may vary depending on the exact ingredients used and portion size. Why you should try this Jiffy Corn Casserole. The Jiffy Corn Casserole is more than just a dish. It's an experience. The comforting, cheesy top is like a warm hug, and the combination of the sweet corn muffin mix with the creamy texture from the sour cream and canned corn makes it the perfect side dish for any meal. Plus, it's versatile enough to complement a variety of main dishes from roasted meats to savory baked chicken. Not only is this recipe incredibly easy to make, but it also offers a unique twist on the traditional corn casserole by using Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix. It's simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Whether you're a busy parent looking for a comforting dinner idea, hosting a family holiday meal, or just want to try something new, this casserole is sure to impress. You'll love the flavorful combination of savory, sweet, and creamy elements, making every bite a delightful experience. Variations and tips. While the original recipe is fantastic, as is, there are a few ways you can switch things up to suit your tastes. Add bacon or sausage. Crumbled bacon or breakfast sausage can be added to the casserole for an extra layer of savory flavor. Spice it up. Add more diced green chiles, or even some jalapenos for a spicy kick. Cheese variations. While cheddar cheese is the classic choice, you can try Monterey Jack or a Mexican cheese blend for a slightly different flavor. Make it lighter. If you want a lighter version, you can use low-fat sour cream and shredded cheese. You can also substitute the butter with olive oil or a healthier alternative. Final thoughts. Jiffy Corn Casserole is a crowd pleaser that's sure to become a staple at your dinner table. The ease of preparation, combined with its comforting taste, makes it the perfect dish for any occasion. Whether served as a side or as a main dish for a meatless meal, this casserole is a delightful treat that everyone will love. Try it out today and enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal that everyone will rave about.